Hello and welcome to Foucault's Pendulum number 11 for advanced experimenters. Here we are with the pendulum ready to be launched, and I'm about to cut or burn the string as per the instructions from the Foucault's pendulum. So possibly before I burn the string and show you the pendulum in flight, I'll just quickly show you the setup, and just quickly go to that now. So here we have our Plumb Bob alignment. The laser is illuminating the Plumb Bob cable at the moment. If I move the camera to the left, you will see the faint outline of the laser on the door in the background, approximately 3 meters away. So that's that point there. Drifting the camera back so both the laser and the cable are in alignment. The setup is what you're familiar with in previous videos. Here's my system up the top with the magnetic coupling, following the cable down, seeing the pendulum, across to the tape measure measuring 700 millimeters from the wall to the laser generator. The advantage of the clear Plumb Bob is the fact that we can project the lens, the laser through the lens, the glass lens, which is an advantage later on, you'll see. Alright, so here we have the pendulum swinging now. And its time is starting. Things to note is the pendulum is now located and hasn't moved. If you just look at the twine, it's actually moved around and it's facing the camera, which I'm not too happy about. That's the first error. So you might see that black line on the pendulum where the fine piece of cotton was. Let me see if I can focus in on that. It's pretty hard. Okay, so we've got the pendulum swinging still, and it's slowing down. What we'll do now, I'll just put the camera around so you can see the alignment of the cable, where it's going in relationship to the laser. Right, so now we see the laser and the pendulum cable in alignment, and I would say that now that the cable is swinging in an anti-clockwise direction, therefore it's swinging to the left. This side here, the left hinge on that door, not the handle side of the door. Clearly swinging to the left. I'll just darken that a bit so you can see the laser a bit better. That flash of light is obviously the 0 point that we would have had. So it's clearly swinging counterclockwise, which you would expect in the southern hemisphere. Alright, I'll just do another swing. I'll let that die for a bit longer. and I'll come back to it just as it dies rather than you guys watching this. So here we are back, 8 minutes now running, and the pendulum is definitely swinging to the anti-clockwise direction. It's been running for 8 minutes and it looks like it's drifted quite a lot. Far too quick for my opinion. I'm not happy with that. That is, I expect in 8 minutes I wouldn't have expected to see that much drift to the left. I'm not happy. Alright, we'll do another run just in case I have said something wrong. So I don't think there's any point in letting it die any further. But I will notice, if you do notice, one thing I'm very happy with, although not originally it wasn't, we've got no wobbles and we've got no oscillations. The pendulum is actually tracking a straight line and not a figure eight. And that thing I said before, not too happy about, excuse me, was the cable, the string. Cotton string is actually facing, it's done a 180 or a 90 degree swing on me there. Alright, I think we'll go back to another swing and let's see what happens. So this time I've set up behind the laser and we're focusing on the wall at the moment, the back door, sorry, where it will actually travel. Both the laser and the cable and the back door are in alignment. I'm just focusing down here. Perfect alignment all the way to the top. Okay, now what I'll do is you've already seen you should see a slow motion video of that cable being cut, but I'll just give you a shot of this. This is important. The laser is exactly in the centre. Now when I cut that, we'll just have a look. Bring the flame down onto it. We should swing exactly in alignment for the first. Which are we doing? Okay. This is important. This is the most important bit for you experimenters. You'll have to get your laser doing this so you can actually see the beginning of the drift to the anti-clockwise position, or if in the northern hemisphere, obviously the clockwise position. Just starting to drift now. Not happy with that. The drift is far too quick. The Earth is not spinning that fast. Okay, I'm not happy at all. Okay, let me think. I've got to think here. No, it's going anti-clockwise. Just dull that light. Now our string or our cotton has actually gone around to that same position again. Not happy, not happy. We're filming in real time here. I won't stop the camera. Okay, so I'll try and focus in on that line. Maybe some more light again. Alright. Okay. Look, I'll just switch lenses on the camera, see if I can get a better shot at that door, because that's now, that swing anti-clockwise is far too left, far too sharp, too accelerated. We've got something wrong. Yeah, I'll stop the camera and I'll change lenses so I can get a better shot at that back door. Okay, I've just changed lenses and I focused on that far wall. And the blur line is the cable cutting across. And that swing is far too exaggerated. Swinging in anti-clockwise direction. So here we are in the dying moments of the pendulum. And I consider that it's probably been going 10 minutes. That is far too much of a swing to the anti-clockwise, counterclockwise direction. Okay, we have something wrong. Back to the drawing board. So, alright, I think that's enough for today. Wasting your time anymore till I set this experiment up a bit better. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.